is the new chapter of class first year NCERT, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Morphology means the external view of a plant. External view. Anatomy means internal view, and the morphology is external view. Firstly, parts of plant. Root, the lower part of plant is root system, and the other part, development of plant, green erect part is stem part, and leaf, branches, buds, and fruit, flowers. The parts of plant. And firstly, the roots are two types, true root or false root. True root is also known as taproot, and false root is also known as adventitious root. Taproot, in case of taproot, the storage food-like behavior it shows, and mostly found in dicot plants. Radish, the swallow, tubular structure below the soil, it's an example of taproot, and the other carrot, the conical structure, V-shaped structure in carrot, the storage carbohydratic food matter inside. And the other root, adventitious, and mostly adventitious root found in monocot and rarely in dicot. Leaf found in wheat. In case of monocot plant, rice, wheat, maize, etc. And in banyan tree, a hard woody stem, and the stem like this, a branch of stem hanging below the soil, and the lower part of the soil touch. A rope-like structure is known as prop root, and prop root found in banyan tree. And in case of maize, stem root like this. The upper part swallow, and then creamish in color and attach a nodulated, the lower part of the soil attached like this, and below the fibrous root-like structure in case of wheat like this, fibrous root means adventitious root including fibrous. And stent, in maize. And the stem system is further divided into three parts. First, underground stem, second, subaerial stem, and third, aerial stem. Underground stem, in some cases, the stem part, underground soil, inside the soil, example rhizome, in case of ginger, it's a bud, horizontally growth of the rhizome, and axial buds form, and in case of ginger, turmeric also, and the other tuber underground soil, potato. Potato, it's a modified stem part, and inside the like this, The vegetative growth in potato and the bud like a eyepiece and put on the soil, then grow new plant. And in third one is corn. Corn in case of colocasia, the common name of colocasia is suran. It's a like this. A bulb-like structure and the exile buds originated the notches and the exile bud appear and it's a bulb-like structure. Colocasia and Arvi. It's an example, best example of corn. And the fourth one is onion. Onion, it's a scaly leaves. The lower part, it's a rudimentary adventitious root. And the scaly leaves are edible part of scaly leaves. It's a edible part of onion. Example, onion. Understand? And next example, garlic including like. And second, subaerial system of stem modification, runner. Runner, you know, doob grass. Runner like this. The node and internodal part, nodal part appear a trifoliate leaf-like structure. It's an example of runner. Runner, modification of leaf and example, doob grass. And second, sucker. Sucker, it's a sticky example of mint. In case of mint, pudina. Sucker type of aerial stem is stolen in strawberry, offset in Ecornia. Ecornia, its common name of Ecornia is water hyacinth. You know, the aquatic plants in lower part shallow, then leafy structure, and the inner part, it's a pouch-like structure. Like this, and this shallow part is known as petiole. And leaf mostly inside the aerial comatose cells present, then float on the surface of water. And the one to another second part arises this region, and third this region, Then middle part are nodal and internodal part. Between the part of nodes, it's known as offset. Offset. Understand? It's an example of offset and example water hyacinth. And third one is aerial system. Aerial system, the upper side of the soil and erect stems mostly found in this case. And first tendril, grapes, अंगूर देखा है. Runner or a tendril means the axial part of leaf arises a curved structure. Leaf and then coiled structure. It's a found in case of grapes. And phylloclade tendril, it's a tendril. And next, the case of rose or citrus tree, like this. This part is also known as modification of exiled buds converted into spines. Spines for protection, for protection of cattle. And next one is the phylloclade. Phylloclade, the xerophytic plants like this, and deep seated roots, deep roots, and the flat base of stem is known as flat base of stem is known as phylloclade. And leaf converted into spine, and spine. Leaf converted into spines because due to less transpiration. Stem converted into phylloclade. Most important term for short note. Phylloclade. And leaf converted into spines. The example of cactus. Example, cactus. In general name of cactus, it's a zoological name Opuntia, and general name is Nagfani. And next part is the leaf. The leaf are of two types. First simple, second compound leaf. Simple leaf, the main stem part containing a leaf. The basis of arrangement are of three types. First, alternate. First, leaf arrangement alternate like this, up and down, under axis of stem, and the other is opposite. In some cases, the leaf are arranged like this, opposite. And the third one is whorl like this, medium, like a circular, like this arrangement in case of medium or connect. And many examples of arrangement of whorl type of leaf arrangement. And simple type of leaf arrangement. The leaf blade, leaf are attached to the leaf stem is known as petiole, and the base, leaf base, and the leaf base arise of two type of components. First, tiny stipule, hard thorn-like process. It's a stipule, and the other leaf bud, axillary bud. Its bud after that grow in advanced condition, and then both internodal part, both node, and in between two nodes, the internodal part. And the parts of plant, remaining part of the plant. Second one is compound leaf, and compound leaf further divided into two parts: pinnate leaf and palmate leaf. Pinnate leaf, it's further divided into four parts: unipinnate leaf in case of neem, bipinnate leaf, only two foliate structure found in pinnate leaf. It's mimosa. Mimosa, chui mui, touch me not, like this. It's a bipinnate leaf. And tripinnate leaf, tripinnate, like this. Tripinnate leaf. And in case of baboon. And decompound type of leaf arrangement in carrot. Palmate leaf, palmate like a palm, finger, हथेली की तरह से ग्रोथ होती है. देखा होगा कुछ क्रोटन प्लांट्स जो होते हैं, पाल्म प्लांट्स लाइक लीफ शो करते हैं, अरवी, लोटस, पाम प्लांट. It's a palmate leaf. And unipalmate in case of citrus. नींबू में यूनिपाल्मेटली लीफ होती है. बाइपाल्मेट लीफ बिग्नोनिया में. ट्राइपाल्मेट लीफ ऑक्जेलिस में. एंड गाइनेंड्रोपस में होती है. तो इतनी बातें समझ में आ गई होगी. रिमेनिंग पार्ट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.